Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've all built amazing RAG systems, but they share a potential weakness. They are only as good as the question you ask them. If your query is too simple, vague, or uses different terminology than your documents, you might miss out on crucial information. What if we could make our AI smarter? What if it could understand your intent and automatically figure out better ways to ask the question? Today, we're doing exactly that by implementing a powerful technique called query transformation, also known as query expansion. Query transformation is designed to improve the chances of finding relevant information by reformulating or augmenting the original query. Instead of just searching for one thing, our AI will act like an expert researcher, taking your question and generating several alternative versions, each capturing a different angle, using different keywords, or exploring related concepts. By searching with all these queries at once, we cast a much wider net, ensuring no critical context is missed. Our implementation follows a simple yet powerful four-step process. First, query transformation, where we use a language model to generate three alternative versions of the original query. Second, multi-query retrieval, where we search our database using both the original and transformed queries. Third, deduplication, where we remove duplicate documents to create a clean, concise context. And fourth, response generation, where we use this rich, combined context to generate a comprehensive and accurate answer to the user's question. Now, let's get into the code. We'll install essential libraries: LangChain, Groq for our fast LLM, ChromaDB for the vector store, and sentence transformers. After importing our modules and setting up API keys, we load the Wikipedia article on artificial intelligence and create a searchable ChromaDB vector store. The core of our project is the query transformation RAG function, which starts with query transformation. We define a transform prompt instructing the language model to generate three alternative versions of the original query and then invoke this chain to get a list of new queries, making our system significantly smarter. Next, multi-query retrieval performs a similarity search for the original query and each transformed query, casting a wide net to pull in diverse documents. Deduplication ensures any duplicate documents retrieved by multiple queries are removed, giving us clean, non-repetitive context. Finally, response generation combines all unique documents into a single context and feeds it into a carefully crafted final prompt, guiding the AI to provide a comprehensive answer to the original question. Now for a live demonstration. Let's run our system with the query, "What are the ethical considerations in AI development?" The LLM generates transformed queries like, "What are the moral implications of artificial intelligence in its design and implementation?" which use different terminology such as moral implications and philosophical language, helping the system find a wider range of relevant documents. The final answer is detailed, covering everything from bias to accountability, and the retrieved context shows the combined information from all four queries. This is why the final output is so rich and accurate. And that's how you build a smarter, more effective RAG system using query transformation. By simply asking the LLM to rephrase the initial question, we dramatically improve the breadth and quality of our retrieval, leading to superior answers. The complete code is available on my GitHub. The link is in the description. So I highly encourage you to try it with your own complex queries. If this video helped you level up your AI skills, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn and GitHub. Thanks for watching, and happy